Hey guys, it's Darren W. Carter of Carter's Barbecue, and today we're going to be doing a test Kitchen Tuesday. We're going to make a quick breakfast fatty. Um, if you follow me on Facebook, you'll see that I made a pizza fatty some time ago, but this one is a little different. Really, only about 3 ingredients. It's quick. You throw it on the grill, and you're good to go. But before we get into that, you got to check out my T-shirt for the day. It's our Dad 2 shirt. If you are a father and you are trying to figure out how to navigate this fatherhood, especially in these different times, and actually seeing how that can match up with brands, check out dad2.com. It's an interesting thing. Dad 2 is actually a conference that I've been able to attend 3 out of the last 6 years, which is very good. But this is my homage to dads today. So stay tuned. Let's get in this kitchen and let's make that fatty. Okay, guys, here are the ingredients. This is it, really. So we're going to use a pound. This is a pound. Some Bob Evans sausage, 1 blueberry muffin, not the whole thing. Some maple syrup, and this honey rub. Honey rub that butt. Actually, I picked this up. Speaking of Dad 2, when I was in DC this year for the Dad 2 conference, down at the wharf, I think it is that what they call it, or the national something. Anyway, I digress. I'm probably wrong in what I'm saying it at. Not the wharf, because the wharf is where all the nice, wonderful, fresh seafood is. But it's where they have what do you call that thing? The wheel, the Ferris wheel, and all that kind of stuff. I can't think of it. The National Harbor or something. But anyway, Pepper Place is a place I visited it there, and they have rubs and seasonings of all kinds. So I bought a couple, and I wanted to try this one out today. So this is honey rub that butt, and we're going to use that to season up the sausage just a little bit. So also you're going to need some saran wrap so we can kind of put this thing together. So let's get in and get our hands dirty. All right, I didn't want to embarrass myself taking this out the package, so I didn't tape that. All right, here we do. We got the sausage down here, and basically all we want to do is kind of have this on the saran wrap, as you can see as well. Let's kind of press this out. Now, let me tell you, this recipe actually I got from a gentleman that I follow on Instagram. His name is Grilling with Dad. He also has a YouTube page. Does wonderful things on the grill, so you may want to check him out as well. Again, that's Grilling with Dad. And here is my blueberry muffin. So what we're going to do here is just crumble it up inside the sausage. And basically, that is it. First of all, let me do a little dusting of this rub here. All right. Just crumble up some of this blueberry muffin. I don't want to put all of it because I actually want to get this closed. Make sure I don't have too much in here. And from there, a little bit of pure maple syrup. And if you can hear that little boy, of course, you know that's my son. All right, so now let's try to cover this up here. I'm going to fold this all in. Fold this over.
Are we watching Nickelodeon?
Yeah, you watching Nickelodeon, baby. Going to try to do my best to close this all really good. All right, and what this saran wrap allows you to do is get a nice little roll to it. All right. Okay. All right, and then from here,
Daddy, it's coming to you.
here you go. This is the problem with not too much meat. It may not stick, but we're going to try to go with this anyway.
Daddy, I want this.
All right, go ahead, take it, baby. Just going to dust the ends again. My son came and got the rest of the blueberry muffin. All right, and so we were all okay. All right, now I'm going to try to fix this hole. And after I do that, we're going to light up the grill and get ready to prepare this to be put on the grill. All right, see you outside. All right, well, I tried to do my best to pinch this up. Let's see how we're going to work here. And I'm going to throw this on the acorn. I love that sound. We're going to keep this on here until we reach about 165 internal temp. Once we do that, let it rest for a little bit, cut it up, and then we'll have breakfast. All right, as you can see, we had a little spillage over, but that's kind of cool. Well, let's cut her up. Got the blueberry muffin inside. Not too bad. Not too bad. So, considering that it busted on me, this is pretty good. So, I hope you all try this for yourself. It's quick, simple, and easy. Let me know if you did, or let me know if you even have done something like this. Put it in the comments below. We appreciate it. Told you to be simple. Nothing's always perfect, but it was simple and very, very tasty. That rub I tried was brand new. I told you where and how I got that, but it is pretty good. So try it at home. Let me know what you think. Drop your comments down there. Again, shout out to Dad too, as well as, and I can't pronounce their name, the people who made this shirt. I always mess it up, so I'm going to have their link down here as well. So I hope you all enjoyed this Test Kitchen Tuesday. Um, Here are my social media sites. Please follow, please subscribe, please share, and all those wonderful things. And until the next Test Kitchen and or Tip Tuesday, and the next time we throw some on the grill, you take it easy.